If a 10 comma 4, b minus 4 comma 9, c minus 2 comma minus 1 are the vertices of a triangle, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Now what is a perpendicular bisector of the side? Perpendicular bisector of the side AB will divide AB into two equal parts and at 90 degrees. That means this line, suppose we take it as DF, then DF will be perpendicular to AB and also DF bisects AB, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means be at 90 degrees to the given line, bisector means divide the line into two equal parts. Now how to solve this problem? Perpendicular bisector of side AB. We know the coordinates of A and B. That means we can easily find out the slope of AB. If we know the slope of the AB, then it is very easy to find out the slope of DF, because we know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their product of slope is minus 1. Once we got the slope of the line DF, and if we are able to get the coordinates of D, which is midpoint of AB, we can obtain it by midpoint formula. Then we have a point and a slope of the line, so we can use point slope form and calculate the equation of DF. So our approach will be first to find out the slope of AB, then find out the slope of DF, then also find out the coordinates of D, so that we can use point slope form and find out the equation of DF. First, let's go ahead and find out slope of AB using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We get it as minus 5 by 14. If slope of AB is minus 5 by 14, then slope of DF will be negative reciprocal of that. So that will be equals to 14 by 5. Now only the thing we have to find out is the coordinates of D. To find out the coordinates of D, we will use midpoint formula, which says x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 10 minus 4 by 2, comma 4 plus 9 by 2, which is equals to 10 minus 4 by 2, comma 4 plus 9 by 2. And that will give us, after simplification, 3, comma 13 by 2. Now we know the point D coordinates and we also know the slope of DF. We can use the equation of straight line form, point slope form, which gives us that if x1 comma y1 is a point on the line and m is slope of that line, then y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1 is the equation of that straight line. Here x1, y1 are 3, 13 by 2 and slope equals to 14 by 5. Let us substitute that. We have y minus 13 by 2 equals to 14 by 5 into x minus 3. Now we want to eliminate the denominator, whatever the fractions we have. So let's take LCM of denominators, that is 2, 5. That is 10. So let's multiply with 10 both left hand side and right hand side. So get this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Multiplying by 10 both left hand side and right hand side, will have 10 into y minus 10 into 13 by 2, that is 65, equals to 14 by 5 into 10, which is 28. So 28 into x minus 3, 28 x minus 84. Now let us get everybody to one side, because we want the in the standard form jx plus by plus c equals to 0. So we'll get 28x minus 10y minus 19 equals to 0. So when we solve a problem whenever we want to find out the equation of perpendicular bisector of a particular line segment, we have to find out the midpoint of that line segment, as we know the coordinates of the vertices. And also we have to find out the slope of the line segment, then find out the slope of the perpendicular bisector, which will be negative reciprocal. Once we know the point and slope, we can use point slope form and easily we can calculate the equation of perpendicular bisector.